Hello everyone and welcome to another explainer video on a very important topic that is used for multi-class classification, which is known as top n accuracy. We all know the regular accuracy, right? It's true positives plus true negatives divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positives plus false negative. But what is top n accuracy? So each multi-class model gives a probability score for all the classes that it is trained on. So it gives an array, and usually you just take the one with the highest probability, right? But what if you took the top n with the highest probability and you wanted to know whether your right answer was within the top three or like top four predictions of your model, right? Say you had 10 classes and you wanted to know whether the correct answer was in the top three predictions of your model. That's where top n accuracy comes in. You give it your probability and you give it the true answer, and if your answer lies in the top n which you set, then it will assume that it is correct, right? So let's take an example. Suppose you built a model that predicts only three classes and you want to find whether what's your top two accuracy, right? So whether the right answer is within the top two predictions of your model or not, right? So if it is correct in the top two, it says okay, and if it is not, yeah. So let's take a example. We load our libraries and we take top k accuracy from sklearn. Top k accuracy is y true, y score, and k is default true. So y true is this, and y pred is this. As you can see, my correct one doesn't have the highest probability in all the five examples. Here, 0 is the correct one, 0 has the second highest probability. 1 is the correct, second highest probability. 1 is the correct, second highest probability. 2 is correct, second highest probability. And again, 2 is correct, second highest probability. But let's see the top K score. It's 1 because it is in the top 2 all the time. Let's say if we change it to 1, 0 because it was not correct in either one of the instances. All right, I think that should explain what is top n accuracy. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, do like and subscribe.